For years, our lakes, rivers, and canals have been silently struggling. Floating weeds spread uncontrollably. Water, hyacinth blocks flow, and debris slowly chokes life beneath the surface. As vegetation grows thicker, water quality drops. Oxygen levels fall, aquatic life suffers, and once healthy water bodies turn stagnant. Manual cleaning is slow, unsafe, and often unable to keep up with the scale of the problem. This is where Rudra Aqua Ultra makes a real difference. Designed to work directly on water, it gently but effectively removes invasive weeds, algae, and floating waste from the surface and below. It clears wide sections in a single pass, restores natural water movement, and brings balance back to the ecosystem. With stable movement, precise cutting, and efficient collection, cleaning becomes faster, safer, and far more consistent. Less dependence on labor, less disruption to nature, more visible results. From lake rejuvenation and canal cleaning to aquaculture support and flood prevention, Rudra Aqua Ultra helps water bodies breathe again. Because protecting water is not just about cleaning, it's about restoring life, preserving ecosystems, and building a sustainable future. One water body at a time.